Are you a digital media buyer looking for an effective way to reach consumers? Are you looking for an innovative way to increase brand awareness and recognition? Look no further than video games, the next great advertising channel. Did you know that 17% of the world's population play video games? That's 1.2 billion gamers to be exact. And 500 million of these gamers play for at least 1 hour per day. Video games provide a massive audience, and this is where your advertising dollars should be spent. The challenge for brands is finding ways to advertise inside of video games that are quick and easy. Traditional product placement is too expensive and requires way too much preparation in order to execute a campaign. The solution? RapidFire. RapidFire operates the largest dynamic in-game advertising network in the world and has delivered hundreds of campaigns for some of the biggest brands out there. We allow brands and media buyers to advertise inside of video games in real time. Our network operates on a CPM price model, and that's why we're the only platform that makes advertising in AAA video games affordable and scalable. Also, our advertising works on console, PC, and mobile devices, so you can reach users across multiple platforms. Excited? Here's how it works. First, RapidFire works with your team to identify which video games in our network best align with your brand's target audience. Next, we schedule your campaign and set parameters such as frequency capping or geo-targeting. With geo-targeting, we're able to deliver your ads to specific countries, states, and even cities. Finally, we use our patented ad-serving technology to stream your IAB standard image and video ads inside some of the most popular 3D video games on the planet. Again, all of this is in real time. How cool is that? To see your brand's advertisements in blockbuster video games on objects such as billboards, TV screens, posters, and bus stops. Ready to take your business to the next level? Get in touch today.